All right. I bought this flagpole a week ago or whatever, or got it a week ago. And when I got it and put it up, I thought something didn't look right. And it was not right. So I'm going to take it down. I've got another one coming. But this company doesn't have any other flagpole in this, and it doesn't match what their website is. I don't think I want to call out the place, but I'm going to go ahead and take this one down and prepare for my new one coming. So I'm just going to, but the way this one works, and I didn't like, is you just undo these, and yeah, and this pole just comes down, which I felt wasn't very secure. So I'm going to take that down and put up a new one that I got coming today. So it's not very sturdy. I don't know, disappointed. And when I emailed them, they're like, sorry, you didn't like it. We'll give you your money back. Well, they're going to give me my money back, but still doesn't make it right. You know, if you tell them that, I even offered, hey, if you sent the wrong flagpole, resend it to me. But they seem to think this was the flagpole that they have, so it's not really worth. It's not worth the money. You can buy this flagpole off Amazon for $80. So I guess if you want to know the company name that this is, you can DM me or something. I can tell you, but it is on a Google search if you search for telescoping flagpole. So they charged me $275 for this flagpole. And when I looked on the box that this came in, looked up the part number, came up on Amazon for $80. I even told them that, and they did not care. So my next flag, hopefully, is not a disappointment. Flagpole, anyway. The flag is fine. I got the flag from Amazon, so I really didn't have a problem with. It came with a flag, but the flag that I'm taking down now, I just got it off Amazon. So which is a nice flag. Too bad it goes bad flag. So I'm going to take all of this down. Prepare for my new one. That flagpole, I mean, we've had a little bit of wind, but it was all bending and stuff. But anyway. Oops. This flagpole top comes off. It drops. Then this is just in a sleeve in the ground, which is fine. I didn't concrete it in because I didn't think it was what I needed. So I didn't bother doing anything special with it. If I'd like this next one, I'm going to concrete it down into the ground. So pull this out. I'll probably clean it off before I send it back, but anyway, maybe by the end of the video, I'll be aggravated enough to tell you who this flagpole came from. But yeah, it was not what I expected at all. So anyway, I'll come back when I get the other flagpole. Get the other flagpole. All right, well, I got a new flagpole, my new flagpole right now. Yeah, it's like 1,000 times better than the other one that I had. So I dug out a hole 20 some inches deep and concreted it in this time because I think I'm pretty solid. Made sure it was level again. So yeah, that's where I'm at in this process. I'm waiting an hour for kind of the concrete to dry, but I just put the pole in so I can make sure it was level, kind of closer to the, up higher. But yeah, I'm going to be happier with this flagpole than I was the last one that was cheap as you know what. So my next step will be to hang the flags, do some other things. I got a light for it coming Tuesday. I don't know how it's coming Tuesday when it shipped the day before the flagpole, but yeah, it's supposed to be here Friday, which was yesterday. And then now it's not getting here until Tuesday. So I'll have a light for the top of it that will, the gold ball will go up here, and then the light will actually go in between here and the gold ball. So my next step is just to let this concrete dry so I can finish the install. So I will see you then. All right, well, I got the new flagpole. I think I've mentioned that already. I've got it in and it's now up. This one was from Service First flagpoles. I bought the Freedom Edition flagpole. Oops. So that's their tag, that's their website. Exactly what they advertised on their website. So it comes with an insert like most of the poles. They get out, it's like 18 inches. I think I dug a 20-inch hole and concreted it in. So yeah, these stay up by these pins, which tomorrow I've got a pin lock coming, but I'm gonna be out of town, and then a light for the top of it. So I think that lock covers that first pin, so you just can't take it down easy, even though you could probably pull it up out of the ground. So anyway, yeah, that's it. That one's much, much better than the other one. So again, I don't know if I'm going to call out the other company or not. It may be at the very end of the video, which this is probably going to be the end of the video anyway. So this is what's not a how-to. This is the experience of one flagpole company that was shady and one that was actually sold what they advertised. So anyway, we'll catch you later, and good luck. Bye. Well, I don't know if you can see this very well, but that's what the pole looks like. Sorry, walking the old dog and he's not cooperating. That's what the pole looks like lit, but it's really not as bright as it's showing on the camera here. So it's not bad, but it probably needs to be as bright as it looks. So anyway, that's what it looks like with the light on top. That is from Service First flagpoles. Got it from that company that I ended up getting the flagpole for. So anyway, we'll talk at you later.